practice my Spanish, see. In the evening, after the sunset normally, I sit in the cockpit here and I work on, I have no TV and I actually don't need a TV. So what I do is I work on these videos, for example, the editing, I listen to music and I watch movies, pre-recorded movies. I also have the habit of drinking my glass of wine every evening, just one glass of wine, and it's fine. It's wine from Argentina and it's called Thermidor. I thought it was Terminator in the beginning, but I'm still alive, so it's not Terminator, it's Thermidor. I'm a bit spoiled because I lived in South Africa for quite a while, and of course the South African wine is just so good, so you can't actually compare it to the South African wine. But I'm happy with whatever is available. During my trip on the ocean, I had some spiritual revelations, and that also changed my life profoundly. So I was talking about the revelations I had during my passage, and it was very profound. And I think I found a new sense in life, and I also feel the need to communicate this with you. It's not only about sailing, because people like sailing, people like to travel, people like to maybe travel around the world, but they have a specific purpose in life to do this. And most of the time it's because they want to search something within themselves, and they think they will find it by traveling or stepping out of the world and living on a boat, and then go and find whatever you are searching for. And I met a young girl, an Italian girl, some time ago, and she was kind of lost, and she was traveling around the world and from one place to another place, and at a certain point in time she returned home and she said, well, I realized that I was searching something, and that's the reason why I was traveling, but actually what I was searching I couldn't find in the travels. It was within me, so it's something inside. So it comes from within. It doesn't mean you don't have to travel, because that is that is just how you can discover it. Some people can discover it by going on a hike, doing something in general, doing something in nature, close to nature, and that is where you will discover actually yourself and the meaning of life. I will come back on these issues later, and we will talk about sailing and many other things. Keep well, and I hope to see you back next week. Bye!